please sit on your assigned seat so you guys can hear and everybody else can hear. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our concert tonight. We're very excited to have all of you here tonight, especially all our Pennsylvania's Upper Darby community. I know Upper Darby has a rich history of cultural diversity and artistic expression, and tonight we celebrate that tradition with an unforgettable performance by some of our favorite musicians. We have Rashmi Mirza in the house, we have Pratik Hassan, and last but not least, one and only Hassan. So we're all very excited to hear their music. So please sit back, relax. We hope this evening brings you joy, excitement, and sense of connection to the universal language of music. I would also like to introduce ourselves first. I'm Sarah, and I'm going to be your host tonight, and here is my co-host.
And I will be your co-host, Charmin.
So at this time, I would like to say special thanks to our Apple Home Care and Laila Abu for sponsoring and presenting this wonderful music event tonight. I would also like to thank our featured community of Bangladesh, Pennsylvania. You guys have done a great job organizing this event, so kudos to each one of you and Rahul Bhai. So we're about to start. All sit back, relax, and let the music take you to a journey. Thank you for being here, and let's make this night a memorable night. So enjoy, you all sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Guys, let's have you clap.
Yes, we need some excitement. All right, at this time, I would like to invite our honorable guest, our first mayor of Pennsylvania's Melbourne, Mayor Mr. Toye Thai. Please come onto the stage.
Also, I would like to invite on the stage our brand sponsor, Ms. Laila Tasmin, who is the founder of Apple Home Care. So everyone, please give her a round of applause.
Big round of applause for both of them, please. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Laila Abu, আমাকে এই সুযোগটা করে দেওয়ার জন্য। Thank you everyone. আপনারা কেমন ফিল করছেন আমি জানি না, আমি খুবই নার্ভাস ফিল করছি, কারণ এই অনুষ্ঠানে যারা নাচানাচি করবে, কারণ সাথে গিন্নি থাকলে তো নাচানাচি করা যায় না, তো যে কারণে একটু চাই আর কি। সবাইকে আসলে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি, আর বিশেষ করে আপেল হোম কেয়ারকে আমি খুবই জানাচ্ছি যে কারণে ওনারা আমাদেরকে দুইটা এটা সহ খুব সুন্দর অনুষ্ঠান উপহার দেওয়ার জন্য।